Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Josh Consults, and we bring you the best property deals right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. So today I'm currently in site. So we are currently at GTC, which is the Government Technical College right here in Enugu State, Nigeria. As you can see behind me, we have a lot of construction works happening here currently. Now, what is behind this particular construction? There was a demolition in GTC. Now, what this means is that the Enugu State government, in conjunction with Dr. Peter Ndubisimba, is building a smart school city, a smart city right here at GTC. And I'm currently at the area where we'll be having the smart school. So behind me, they've started construction. Behind me, they've started a lot of constructions, and we are currently here to interview those people that are in charge. We are currently here to interview the architects and the engineers that are in charge of this particular project. So you'll be hearing from the architects to know why this particular project, why they are starting this particular project here in Enugu State. So stick with me. So this is the design of Government Technical College Enugu. So the government is planning to build a smart school city right here at GTC Enugu. So currently now all the students has vacated this particular premises because construction is about going down. Now this particular school is located inside of town opposite ShopRite. Now as you can see, this is Government Technical College, and there are a lot of demolitions that has happened currently in this particular school. As you can see, this is just the admin block that is remaining here at the moment, and now I would show you the current situation. Now this is a total clearing of the whole GTC. You can see we have a lot of sharp sand, we have gravels, we have a lot of things, tractors that are inside of this particular school. And I know that a lot of you that attended this particular school would know these areas that I'm about to show you. Now this demolition happened so that they can build a smart school city right here in GTC. And as you all know, Governor Peter Mba is currently building a smart school city in almost all the wards in Enugu State. So if you're new to this channel, do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so as to get informations or latest information when we post them. If you ever attended the school, do well to let us know on the comment section and tell me the particular area that I have shown you that you remember the particular building that used to be there. Now this is the area where we have the physics lab and all of that. So a lot of buildings has been demolished and new buildings has been put up. As you can see at this corner, there is a new design currently happening at this particular corner. So I'm currently with the architects and the engineer that is handling this particular project, and in few minutes you'll be hearing from them because we'll be asking them few other questions about this particular project. So with me here is architect Uche and engineer Franklin, right? So with the next verse you'll be hearing will be from architect Uche and engineer Franklin. So sir, thank you for giving me the privilege to be here. So the thing is, we actually saw that they are running some reconstruction or something in GTC. So, and we finally found out that it's a smart school that they're trying to build. please can you just tell us more about this particular smart school?
Well, this is a smart school, Enugu, one of the smart school currently in progress in Enugu here, GRA to be precise. So the particular project consists of admin, block A, block B, library, block C, and block D.
Okay.
So you can see admin. This is a place. I think this is a place where the staffs will be staying to take care of school functions.
Yeah.
Block A, block B, block C, and block D. These are
classrooms.
Classrooms.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And the library science. This is where I think every of us know what the functions of
library. Okay. Yeah.
So from let's walk from what is on ground. From this point.
Okay. Okay. So what I wanted to ask, I can see that they've already started construction here, and they've started with some of the I think the foundations and all of that. So what this actually means now is that these blocks you told us about now are in different sections.
Yes, of
right?
Course. Yes, of course.
Okay, so you join us. Let's see all these different sections so that you understand what he's trying to say on the video. Now, this is during the foundation stage. As you can see, they were about running the columns of this particular smart school city, and as you can see that the center part of it is a courtyard. So according to the plan of this smart school, it has a courtyard, and according to what the architect said, we have different blocks that are enclosed together. Yeah, in the major map, I'll show you the major map now. In the major map, you'll see that they are all enclosed together, having a courtyard at the middle. And now this is what they are trying to bring out so that it start looking like what we saw on the design. Now, GTC shares close boundary with Enugu State College of Education Technical, which is ESET, shares boundary with ShopRite. It is very close to Tunnel, Ebano Tunnel. It is very close to Fidelity Estate. It is close to Okpara Avenue. It is close to GRA, and it's also close to Otigba Junction. So let's see what the architect has got for us again at this point.
So this is the admin block.
Okay.
It's more of offices.
Yeah.
Staff offices, and as you can see, you can take a look at.
Yeah.
It has more than 14 offices, and facilities as well.
Wow, so more than 14 offices.
Yes.
Wow.
It's a modern structure.
Okay.
So from this angle.
Yeah.
So this is block D.
Okay. So the admin is closer to the block D.
Yes,
okay.
But not attached.
Okay.
By tomorrow next, we'll be done with the column installations.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine. Wow.
That's it.
All right.
Right is yeah.
So all those things are the block B now is still a classroom.
Classroom.
Okay.
Classroom.
All right. That's fine. I'm so impressed with the kind of developments that our governor is bringing into Enugu.
Yeah.
So you've heard him, and I understand that a lot of you guys should be people that attended this particular school. Now, this is the current development happening right here in GTC. So stay tuned as I will be giving you more updates on this particular project when they finish it. So thank you very much for watching. We'll meet again next time. So before we go, let me introduce to you one of the fastest developing property we currently have in Enugu State, Nigeria. And funny enough, this particular property is just 10 minutes drive away from ShopRite, just 10 minutes drive away from GTC. So we call it Blossom Gardens Estate. Now it is located at Trans-Ekulu Annex. Now it's selling for just 10 million naira per plot, of which we have 500 square meters and 1000 square meters. So 500 square meters is selling for 10 million naira and 1000 square meters is selling for 20 million naira. All you need to do today is to call Josh Consults so that we can take you for inspection and booking. Thank you very much and bye.